Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a part 3 in how to style your knotless braid. But before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. And I also want to big up my new subscribers. Welcome. And for my old subscribers, go on big up on yourself. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. Okay, so this style is pretty straightforward. It's not like the regular Bantu knots where you have to install braids and then you have to plait it to the end and then wrap it around. No, the braid is already installed in your hair, which makes it super easy. So all you're going to do is remove a strand of the braid just to see the way you see me doing. Then you're going to gently wrap it around. You don't want to wrap it too tight because remember we don't want tear to our ear and we don't want having a headache. So gently wrap it around and when you reach to the very end, we're just going to tuck it underneath just the way you see me doing.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I'm going to use my edge control and I'm going to use it to hide the flyaways. I don't want to use a scissors to trim it because I don't want to cut my natural hair, because remember my natural hair is tucked away in the braids, so I don't want to make any mistake and cut my hair. So I'm going to make life more easier. So I'm going to use the edge control and secure these flyaways.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so we're going to have a little bit more fun with this hairstyle. So with those two strands that will be dangling in front of my face, I'm going to add a couple beads on the ends.
Waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways,
Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye!
No,